Revolutionary, MobiFirst site builder makes it easy to create the best performing mobile websites on the internet that Google absolutely loves. This page and the Autoplaying video player were created using MobiFirst Page Builder. Google wants to see mobile sites load in under 3 seconds. 2018 average load time was 15.3 seconds. Google's mobile-first indexing gives an advantage to the fastest, best-performing mobile sites. Websites built with mobile-first technology outperformed mobile-friendly and mobile-responsive sites. Start building the fastest-loading websites on the web with our point-and-click website builder. No programming skills required. Instantly optimize how your site appears and performs on phones, tablets, and desktops with ease. One-time payment gets unlimited hosting, unlimited sites, built-in autoresponder, and much more. Your investment is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Dramatically increase site speed. Easy point-and-click interface with multiple device views for easy editing. Build an unlimited number of sites for you and your clients. When you purchase commercial, dozens of design templates to choose from includes hosting for all MobiFirst sites, complete design flexibility, closed source for unmatched site security, commercial license available. How did we do it? As soon as Google announced mobile-first indexing, we hit the drawing board to understand and answer what would become every website owner's biggest questions. How do I keep up with and stay competitive with Google's mobile-first changes? If you're not already asking yourself this question, you should start. The future of your business depends on it. We first looked at how the vast majority of mobile sites were being built and immediately found a major flaw in the design architecture. Most all of them are constructed for desktop first, then the elements of the website are manipulated to fit smaller screens last. It's easy to see why MobiFirst should be your first choice. 1. Build the fastest websites on the internet across every device and give Google what they want at the same time you turn bounce rates into a thing of the past. 2. Take advantage of the commercial license option to build websites for clients and keep 100% of the profits. 3. Have peace of mind that your sites are hosted on a closed-source platform, giving MobiFirst built sites top-notch security against DDoS attacks and hacking threats. Hosting is included in today's one-time price. 4. Easy point-and-click functionality with guided training makes using MobiFirst simple and fun. 5. You have total design flexibility with MobiFirst. With dozens of website themes, content widgets, and flexible editable design elements, you will be able to fill all your design needs